Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To install ClickFunnels, begin by visiting the official ClickFunnels website. Locate the Start Free Trial button on the home page and click it. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Once completed, click the Get Started button to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification link from ClickFunnels. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, return to the ClickFunnels login page. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, you will be prompted to select a plan. Review the plan options and choose the one that suits your needs. Enter your billing information as required. After confirming your payment, you will gain access to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To create your first funnel, click on the Build Funnel button. Select a funnel type that aligns with your business goals. Customize your funnel by editing the pages to fit your branding and messaging. Utilize pre-built templates to streamline the design process. Preview your funnel to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click the Save button to save your changes. To configure your funnel settings, access the Settings menu. Set up your domain if you have one or use a ClickFunnels subdomain. Integrate any necessary email autoresponders or payment gateways. Lastly, share your funnel link to launch it online. Congratulations, your ClickFunnels installation is now complete and ready to drive conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.